Are you tired of playing a guessing game with AI? You write out a prompt, cross your fingers, hit submit, and the result is generic, boring, or looks absolutely nothing like what you imagined. Then you waste 20 minutes rewriting your prompt over and over again trying to fix it. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate AI cheat code to stop this forever. It is one single sentence you can add to the end of any prompt. The true power of this sentence is that it completely flips the script. Normally, when an AI lacks details, it just makes blind assumptions and fills in the blanks with generic defaults. This magic sentence stops the AI from guessing. Instead, it turns the AI into a consultant that extracts the perfect details right out of your brain. Let me show you exactly how this transforms your workflow. First, let's look at the standard way most people use AI. I'm going to ask Gemini to create a split-screen illustrated image comparing a chaotic, highly cluttered home office desk on the left with a sleek, highly productive minimalist desk on the right. Let's hit submit. Okay, here's the result. It's not terrible. The AI gave us a messy desk and a clean desk. But what if this isn't the specific art style or mood I wanted? It's a bit basic. Usually, this is where you'd have to start writing huge, complicated paragraphs to fix it, but we aren't going to do that. Instead, let's use the cheat code. I'm going to open a brand new chat and paste that exact same initial prompt. But right at the end, I'm going to paste our magic sentence. Ask me 3 to 5 clarifying questions so you are 99% certain of what you want me to do. Let's hit submit and watch what happens. Look at this. Instead of instantly spitting out a generic image, the AI actually pauses. It analyzes what it's missing and asks me exactly what it needs to know to get the image right on the first try. It's asking about the specific illustration style, the exact color palette, and how the central dividing line should look. It even brings up creative ideas I didn't even think of. And the best part? I don't have to write long, stressful paragraphs to answer it. I can just type quick, simple bullet points. I'm going to reply, modern vector style, muted tones with pop-up colors. I'll completely skip question 3 because I don't care. And for number 4, I'll type conceptual division. That took me 10 seconds. Let's submit those quick answers. And here is the new result. The AI took my 10 seconds of clarification and generated an image that perfectly matches my exact vision. We have the modern vector look, the specific color palette, and that awesome conceptual split down the middle. This is a massive upgrade from our first attempt. By making the AI ask you the right questions, you eliminate hallucinations. You stop wasting time rewriting prompts, and you get incredible results. This works for generating images, writing emails, coding, or creating business plans in ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. I've put this magic prompt in the description box below so you can copy and paste it into your own workflow today. If you found this cheat code helpful, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.